Ever wondered how to make your Shopify store's product collection shine and guide your customers effortlessly to what they want to buy? Let's dive into the heart of organizing your Shopify products by adding them to specific collections. This is crucial for a seamless shopping experience and boosting your sales. First things first, log into your Shopify admin. From there, head over to Products and then click on Collections. To create a new collection, simply click the Create Collection button. You'll give your collection a title, like Summer Essentials or Best Sellers. Now, for adding products, you have two main methods. The first, and often the most straightforward for specific items, is the manual collection type. Once you've saved your collection, scroll down to the Products section here. You can click Browse or use the search bar to find and select the exact products you want to feature in this collection. Simply check the boxes next to the products you wish to include, and then click Done. It's that easy to curate your selections. However, for larger inventories or dynamic collections, the automated collection type is a game changer. With automated collections, you set rules based on product title, type, vendor, tags, price, and more. For instance, you could create a shirts collection by setting a condition product type is equal to shirt. You can even add multiple conditions to refine your collection further, perhaps including products that are tagged as new arrival and are of the shirt product type. Finally, once your products are in, you can organize them within your collection. You'll typically see an option to reorder. You can drag and drop products to place them in your preferred sequence, ensuring your most important or profitable items are front and center, enhancing the all-important shopping experience. Mastering collections is your secret weapon for a stellar Shopify store. Happy selling!